In this video, I will show you how to set up a donation form for your WordPress website without spending any money. For this tutorial, we will use the free version of SureCart, a brand new plugin produced by Adam Fraser, Sujai Pawar, and a lot of great people out there. This is my very first English tutorial, so I hope you will understand everything. And let's dive in. Now let's go to Plugins, to Add New, and let's type in SureCart. This is a free plugin which allows you to sell online and also to receive donations, all completely for free. It's incredible. It's a very, very generous plugin. Of course, there is also a pro version, but in the free version, you can do a lot of things. Let's select here. I always like to enable auto updates, which is very, very important. And now, as you can see, we can click on SureCart. You can click on Get Started. And from here, you click on Set Up My Store. Here you can simply create your free account on SureCart. You just insert your name, your email, your password, and you can sign up. Or if you already got an account, you can click on Sign In, and you can just insert your email and password, and that's it. Once here, you can select the store which you want to connect with your SureCart account, or you can just create a new store, okay? Let's type in the name of the store. Let's type in the address. By the way, if you didn't visit the website, takeatutorial.com, go and visit it. You can choose your currency, you can choose your language, and then here we can choose your time zone. Let's leave it like this. You can also change everything later, so it's not important. You can create your store. And now you just go to View API Tokens. You can click on Default, you can copy this API token, and you can go to your dashboard. Let's click on Settings. Here we can insert our API token and we can click on Save. Okay, that's it. So once we reload the page, we will see a lot of new options here on the left side. Perfect. We can choose processors. From here we can connect Stripe, PayPal, and if you want, you can also set up manual payments methods. Let's go on Stripe. It will show you this page, which is a page of your account in SureCart website. And be careful to choose the right website for which you are connecting your payment processors. In this case, I want to connect them with my Take a Tutorial website, takeatutorial.com. By the way, if you want to donate to Take a Tutorial, you can do it because I'm creating right now the donation form. So let's connect Stripe. Let's start with Stripe. Okay, it will be very, very easy. As you can see here, if you already have an account on Stripe, you can just use the same email address that you used to connect yourself to Stripe. Or if you don't have a Stripe account, it will guide you in the creation of a free account on Stripe. In this case, I have already got an account, so I insert my email and I click on Continue. I just need to insert my password too. I can log in. And now I will need to do my two-factor authentication. Okay, once you confirm, here it will ask you to create a new account if you want, or you can just use one of your accounts. I got a few accounts on Stripe, and so I can select one of my accounts. In this case, I want to connect myself with my business account, Claro Agency SAS. So I click on Connect. Okay, if you don't already have an account connected to your business, you will need to provide all the information in order to create one. And here, as you can see, the connection is done. So it's very, very easy and simple. You can do the same thing also for test mode. As you can see here, we have connected live mode, but if you want, you can connect also test mode, which is very important in order to test out your form before publishing it. So let's connect also test mode. As you can see, it's very easy to switch here. At the upper right side of the screen, connect. Okay, the same thing. So we just connect to the same account, connect, and it's very, very easy. This is Stripe. It's perfect, beautiful, and also SureCart makes it easy to connect your payment processors. Let's connect PayPal now. Let's go on live mode. Select PayPal. Okay, and now in a few clicks we will be able also to connect this account. Okay, so let's insert our PayPal email and let's select the country. I'm France. I live in France now, in Paris. And so let's click on Next. Okay. If you already got an account on PayPal, it will ask you simply to log in, as you can see here. Or if you don't have an account, it will ask you to create one. It's free and it's very easy to do so. In this case, I already got an account, so I can log in. Okay, just to do the strong validation, strong authentication. Yeah, let's confirm here. Okay, identity confirmed. Okay. Okay, now it will ask you to allow the connection between SureCart and your account, your PayPal account. So agree. Okay, let's go back to SureCart Inc. Perfect. We just connected PayPal, and we can do the same thing for the test mode. So now we can connect a PayPal test mode account. So we can click on connect here on PayPal. But before, we need to create a sandbox test account in PayPal. If you don't already have one, let's follow these simple steps. I leave you this link in the description below. And here you can create an account by logging into your original account, to your real account, and then clicking on this link, developer.paypal.com/dashboard/accounts. Here you can click on create account. And as you can see, you can create a sandbox account, which is very important in order to create a testing account. You can create before a business account, which is your merchant account, which it will behave right if it was your original account. Here we can say my country, for the example, is France. Your country will be your country in which you are testing. Okay, the account is created, as you can see here, and we can modify it, we can edit it. Okay, let's click on it. We can change everything by clicking on edit here. And then we can maybe say Pascal tutorial. Okay. Here we can change the email address. We can just remember the password. Okay. Which, by the way, these are all fake data, of course. We can change the account type, everything we want. And here we can see the API credentials. We don't need them at the moment, but if you need it, you can copy them. Founding here we can just say we have 5 million euros, which is more or less $5 million. Yeah, that's very, very, very interesting. It's easy to make money. You just need to go here and change the numbers, and that's it. Okay, here we can just refresh the page. Okay. And the email we will use to test and to connect our account is this one, hello@takeatutorial.com. The password, I've copied it before, so hello@takeatutorial. Okay, and here we can just type in France. Okay, it asks me to log in. I log into my account, and if you want, you can save also here. You can accept and continue in order to test your features, and then you can return to SureCart website. Yay, we've done it. As you can see, we have enabled test mode for PayPal too. Now, if you go back to your website and you reload the processors page, you will see that both live payments and test payments are enabled. Okay, great. So we can start accepting payments, and now we can start building up our donation form. This is the simple donation form that we will recreate. The user will have the capability to select a different kind of amount, as you can see here. People can also just choose to pay whatever they want by selecting other. I can pay $99,000. Wow. I just click on update and I can send this as a donation. It's very, very easy, as you can see. So here you can provide payments with PayPal and Stripe, and you can see here there is only Stripe, but in our case we will also configure PayPal. A few things before starting to create our donation form. We need to set up a color which will be applied to all our forms and products in SureCart. So for example, here I need my color to match my primary color. So let's do like this. Let's go to Design and Branding under SureCart and Settings, Design and Branding. And here you can add a logo if you want. This will be displayed in emails. And here you can choose the brand color, which is very, very important. So here I paste my primary accent color, brand color, okay. If you want, here you can just fill up all the details of your business. And under notifications, you can set up the sender name and the reply to email that people will see when they receive the confirmation email about their donation, for example, which will be the order confirmation email. Okay, this is very important. Here in the customizer, you can customize the order confirmation email, and we will see it later. And then you will need to, that's it. That's it. So we can go to SureCart, products, and here we click on add new. We can call this product donation form or simply donations, create. And then here in details, in pricing, you can select your pricing. So add a price, and let's choose, you can choose any kind of price. For example, one-time payments, installment, or subscription. So people can also make a subscription donation if you want to do so. But in this case, we will stay simple, and we will keep it simple, and we will just choose a simple donation. As a price, we will put in 0 and allow customers to pay what they want. This is the key to create a donation form. You can set up a minimum price if you want people to donate at least $5, for example, and you can choose a maximum price, so a maximum amount of donations, for example, which is never clever to set up this. Create price, okay. Then here you can integrate with external applications or whatever you want. You can add some downloads if you want to make people access some files, for example, after donating. Here you can set up a product image if you want to. So you can upload an image which will represent your donation form. I'll go and choose one on unsplash.com. Let's see if there is a great image. Donations. Okay. This is a great image. You can download a small one because we don't need a huge image. Okay, if you want, you can use BeFunky, which I love, by the way, because it's a free online software to modify pictures and to edit pictures. As you can see here, crop, I can do like this, square, and I create my square image for my product. I save it to my computer. I can rename it. Okay, and I can also resize it, you see. Save, perfect. In a few clicks, I've created an image. I can upload it here. Let's wait a few seconds, and we will be ready to give a graphic appearance to our donation forms. Perfect. This is my product image. Here you can see there is also a part which a setting which allows you to enable tax and shipping features, but in this case it's not important. It will be available, yes, of course, and we can save the product. Okay, now we are ready to create our donation form. So let's go to forms. Okay, let's go to add new, and let's create a new donation form. Okay, let's call it donation form. Okay, and here we can select donations. As you can see here, there is already a form which is optimized for donations. So let's click on it. Let's click on next, and let's choose a product. In this case, our product is donations. Name your price. Perfect. It's this one. If you want, you can create a custom page and tell the system, tell the plugin to redirect people to this page after the donation. We will see that later. Let's create this form. So let's click on create. As you can see here, we can choose if we want to test mode or enable directly the live mode. In this case, we will stay with test mode. Okay. And then we can simply customize all the donation forms. So here, donation amount, you can choose to insert custom labels. You can customize each and every label if you want here. For example, here you can change the amount. You can also insert, as you can see, some text here. This one, it's interesting, and you can just customize everything. As you can see, it's very, very easy and very intuitive. If you want to delete some options, for example, if you don't want to let people choose $5, you can click on it and you can select here and remove donation amount. It's very easy. You can do the same thing here, remove donation amount. We can leave like this. If you want here, you can see what happens when people click on other, okay? Here there is an express payment option. If you want to delete it, you can just remove it. It's very easy. In this case, I will just let it as an option. And then we can customize each and every field. We can customize the email field. We can customize the name field. For example, insert here your email, your name. Perfect. And we can just do like this. If you want, you can also insert an help text. It's very easy. And then, this is a very interesting thing, we can add some more fields. For example, we can insert a text field. Text field. This is a text field. We can just insert maybe a text area. It's better. Text area. We can make required, or of course, all the fields, which is very important. Okay. And then we can choose the name of this text area. For example, maybe this one will be not required. Leave message. Okay. Placeholder. It's very easy. And this is the payment gateway part. You can choose if you want to enable just Stripe, if you want to enable PayPal, if you want both of them to be selectable here. And then you can go on by editing the summary. This summary part, you can also remove it if you want, or we can just leave it as it is. Okay. And then we can publish our form. Okay, that was very, very easy. We set up a complete donation form, which is in test mode now. And we just need to add it to one of our pages. So let's go to our website. Let's set up a new page. And then all we need to do is just to click on plus, click on SureCart, check out form, and we can select a form. And we select our donation form. Choose. Wow, publish. We just need to publish the page, and our donation form is ready to be live. In this case, it's not live yet because it's in test mode, but it's ready to be tested, as you can see here. That's great. So we need to select an amount. If you want, you can also pre-select an amount for people. So in this case, if we go back here, we can say that this amount will be pre-selected. How do we do so? We click on default amount and we type in, for example, $20. Okay, we update. We can reload this page. Okay, perfect. And the pre-selected amount is $20. Let's test it up also in a incognito tab to see if everything runs smoothly. Okay, perfect. $20 pre-selected. And this is our donation form. If people want to pay faster and they use link, they can just click here and fill up all the form and pay with the link. Or if people just need to fill up the form and then select credit card or PayPal, they can do like this. I love it. Okay, so this is our test form. It is still in test mode. As you can see here, you have the label test mode, perfect. So we can make a first test. In order to do so, we need just to create a thank you page, which will be very, very useful. Let's go to add new page in our WordPress website, new page. And let's call this page thank you for your donation. Okay, perfect. No thanks, but thank you. Okay. Here in the URL, you can just call it thank you, which is more tidy. Okay. Let's design it like this. And here we can set up an image, for example. Media library. Okay, I don't have any interesting image. Maybe I type in thank you here on unsplash.com, which is a free image website. Perfect. This is this is nice. This is great. Okay, let's download it. As you can see, 5 megabytes are too much, so we can do it like this. Yeah, we can also resize it. Maybe it's more clever to do like this. Okay. Apply, save, computer. Thank you. Okay, 200 kilobytes. It's perfect. Okay, in this page, so we'll insert an image. We select this image, we publish it. And this is a key page, because in this page you can also drive some more traffic to your social media, for example, or you can just make the user perform an action. So here we can go and we can type in a title, an heading, okay, follow, and here social media, social icons. We can add some social icons, for example, WordPress, just for the purpose of this example. You can insert your WordPress account here. You can add some TikTok. I don't use TikTok. Do you use TikTok? I don't like TikTok. Here you can add Telegram, for example. I use Telegram. Take a tutorial. Take a tutorial on Telegram. Yay! Okay. Now, if you want to display them in the center, you can do like this. Same here for this sentence, and the same here for this image. Okay, we can make it smaller. We can also change something in this page. For example, we can disable header and footer, and we can also disable our page title. So let's update this page and let's see how this page looks like when we visit it from the outside. Okay, perfect. So people will be asked to follow us on our social media platforms. That's it. So let's pick this page now and let's make it the default thank you page for our donation form. So let's go into SureCart forms and let's select checkout. No, not checkout, but donation form. Okay. Attempt blocked recovery. Okay. And here on the right side, if you select the whole form, you have custom thank you page. Perfect. So you can type in thank you. This is our thank you page. Perfect. Let's update this form and let's make it a real life test. So let's go to our website in incognito mode. Let's reload the page. Before diving into the testing of our donation form, we have to talk about this dashboard. The dashboard, it's created automatically by SureCart when you install the plugin, and it's the page where the user can come if the user wants to see the history of the donations, for example, as you can see here. How can you customize this page? It's very easy. You just need to go to Pages to find out where is your dashboard. Here it is. And to edit it. So I've just changed a few things around. As you can see here, you can just say instead of order history, which is the default text, you can say donations history, and then you can just choose everything. You can customize everything. It's quite easy and intuitive. And if you want, you can also delete some parts. For example, if you don't want to show payment methods and if you don't want people to save payment methods on your website, you can delete, for example, this part. Or if you change your mind, you can leave it. And if you want, you can change also the account section. And you can also add some more tabs here to the left side. For example, if you want a tab to thank you people or to insert some more information, so you can do more info. And you can add your custom tab. More info, and here you can add your more info, for example, media library. Okay. Update. So this is a very simple way to customize this dashboard. How does it work? The process is quite easy. As you can see here, there is my more info tab. Okay, the process is this one. People will sign up here, will just donate, for example, through your form, using an email address and a name, and then here there is a custom text field, which is not shown in notifications at the moment, but it will be implemented in next SureCart updates. And then after payment, this will be the notification, and if the user decide to view the order details, the user will come to this page, as you can see, very simple, and it will be automatically logged in. So if the user wants, he can set up a password, or you can dismiss, and this is quite easy. You see, the user now has logged in. The user can see the donations history. For example, I've made a simple donation here. I can download the receipt. Here is my receipt, and that's it. In order to customize the notifications that the user will receive, for example this one, you can go on SureCart settings and you can choose notifications. Here, if you scroll down, you will see the order confirmation email. No, sorry, you will see the customer emails, and you will go to the order confirmation and click edit. It will open you the website, SureCart's website, and here you can just customize your email. For example, email subject, thank you for your donation. You can say like this. You can choose to modify the title of the email, the heading. You can choose to modify also to customize the text, which is the text that people will see and read here in this notification. And you can customize the button and whatever you want in this notification. At the moment, it's still a bit tricky to customize this, as you can see, this template and all the content. But I believe that later on they will add new functionalities to be able to customize all these templates and notifications more deeply. So now we are ready to test out our form, our donation form. As you can see from this page, we are ready to start. So we select an amount, for example, $50. We just insert our email address. I can do maybe this one. Okay, I type in my name. Okay, here is my message. Unfortunately, at the moment, there is no possibility to show this field in the notifications email received by you, but it will be possible later on. So I show you this field. Okay, and then I can choose if I want to pay with credit card or PayPal. Now it's easier to test with credit card, so I just put on like this. Okay, let's donate. Submitting donation. Processing payment. Finalizing donation. Success! Wow, I just received $50. That's great. By the way, if you want to donate to takeatutorial.com, thank you in advance. You find the link below in the description below this video. Here is my thank you page as we set up before. And now we will see what happens. So this is the email notification I receive as a user when I submit my donation. So here it is. As you can see, all the words are different because we changed them in the email template. And if the user click on view order details now, the user will be directly redirected on the user dashboard. And there will be a message that asks the user if the user wants to set up a password. And as you can see, it's very, very easy and simple. The important thing about this page is that if you want the user to reach it easily, you have to put it in the navigation menu up here or in the footer of your website, of course. Otherwise, the only mean to get to that page is to click on the button on the notification that the user has received. From the administration side of the website, we will receive a simple notification like this, where we can see the amount of the donation and the email of the donor. It's very easy, very simple, and at the moment there is no option to set up a more complicated or a more complete customized template. As you can see, for example, we have no option to insert our custom field, and we even don't have any option to show the name of the donor. But I'm pretty sure this will come in the next updates of SureCart plugin. In order to go live and to start accepting real donations, we have to go to SureCart, Forms. We have to locate our donation form. Here it is. And we have to switch to live mode. So like this, live. Update, and we are ready to receive donation. Congratulations! Yoo-hoo! Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you created a great donation form using SureCart. And now I want to know, what do you think about this plugin in the comments below? Because SureCart, it's a brand new plugin, but it's very powerful and generous, even in the free version. But now I wanted to tell you one last thing. This was my very first English tutorial. Normally I make tutorial in Italian, so I hope you understand everything, and if you like my accent, write me down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to Take a Tutorial. In this YouTube channel I will regularly upload WordPress tutorials. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye!